The world is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly advancing. Large language models, often called LLMs, are at the forefront of this revolution. These powerful tools are transforming many industries. One area of significant impact is AI research itself. LLMs are changing how we explore the mysteries of intelligence. They are accelerating the pace of discovery. The rise of LLMs marks a new era in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. LLMs are complex algorithms. They are trained on massive datasets. This training allows them to understand and generate human-like text. LLMs can perform a variety of tasks. They can translate languages, write stories, and answer questions. These capabilities make them invaluable tools for researchers across various disciplines. The integration of LLMs into AI research is a paradigm shift. These models are not merely tools but are becoming collaborators in the scientific process. They are helping us push the boundaries of knowledge. It is an exciting time to be involved in the world of AI, but it is also a time for careful consideration. We must navigate the ethical implications of this powerful technology. Researchers often face tedious and time-consuming tasks. These tasks include reviewing countless research papers and compiling data from various sources. LLMs are now being deployed to automate these tasks. They can analyze vast amounts of data with remarkable speed and accuracy. This frees up researchers to focus on higher-level tasks. These tasks include designing experiments and interpreting results. One notable example of an LLM is GPT-4. This model, developed by OpenAI, excels at understanding and generating human language. Researchers are using GPT-4 to generate hypotheses. They are also using it to summarize research papers and even to draft sections of their manuscripts. Google's Bard is another powerful LLM with similar capabilities. These models are becoming indispensable research assistants. The benefits of using LLMs as research assistants are numerous. They can significantly reduce the time required to complete research projects. This allows for faster dissemination of scientific findings. Additionally, LLMs can help identify patterns in data. These patterns might be missed by human researchers. This leads to new discoveries and breakthroughs. Sakana AI, a leading AI research company, has developed a groundbreaking tool called AI Scientist. This tool represents a significant leap forward in the use of LLMs for research. The AI Scientist automates the entire research lifecycle. It can formulate research questions, design experiments, analyze data, and even write research papers. This level of automation has the potential to revolutionize scientific discovery. Sakana AI claims that their AI scientist can produce a research paper for approximately $15. This is a fraction of the cost of traditional research methods. This affordability has the potential to democratize research. It could make scientific discovery accessible to individuals and institutions with limited resources. The development of tools like the AI scientist raises profound questions about the future of research. Will AI replace human scientists? While AI can automate many aspects of research, it is unlikely to fully replace human ingenuity and creativity. Instead, AI will likely augment human capabilities. It will free us to tackle more complex and challenging scientific questions. Early LLMs were generalists. They were trained on vast amounts of text data from diverse sources. While this broad training gave them a wide range of knowledge, it also limited their depth in specific areas. The future of LLMs lies in specialization. Researchers are now training LLMs on specialized datasets. These datasets are tailored to specific fields, such as medicine, law, or engineering. These specialized LLMs will have a deeper understanding of their respective domains. They will be able to perform more complex tasks. For example, a medical LLM could be trained on a massive dataset of medical records, research papers, and clinical trial data. This LLM could then assist doctors with diagnosis, treatment planning, and drug discovery. The use of specialized LLMs is already showing promise in various fields. In finance, LLMs are being used to analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. In law enforcement, LLMs are helping to identify patterns in criminal activity and predict future crimes. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Synthetic data, addressing bias and scarcity. One of the challenges in AI research is the need for large, high-quality datasets. These datasets are essential for training large language models, or LLMs. However, collecting and annotating real-world data can be expensive, time-consuming, and raise ethical concerns. Synthetic data offers a solution. Synthetic data is artificially generated data that mimics real-world data. Synthetic data can be used to train LLMs without the limitations of real-world data. It can be generated in unlimited quantities and tailored to specific needs. For example, researchers can generate synthetic data to train an LLM to identify rare diseases. This would be difficult with real-world data, as cases of rare diseases are less prevalent. Another advantage of synthetic data is that it can be designed to be unbiased. Real-world data often reflects societal biases, and these biases can be amplified in AI models trained on this data. Synthetic data can help mitigate this issue. It can be generated to be balanced and representative. Section 6. Auto-ML Platforms AI for Everyone. The development of AI models has traditionally required specialized knowledge and skills. This has limited access to AI technology. Auto-ML platforms are changing this. Auto-ML stands for Automated Machine Learning. These platforms automate many of the complex tasks involved in building AI models. This makes AI accessible to a wider range of users. Auto-ML platforms allow users to build AI models without writing a single line of code. These platforms guide users through the process of selecting the appropriate algorithm, tuning the model's parameters, and deploying the model. This democratization of AI has the potential to empower businesses, organizations, and individuals. The rise of auto-ML platforms is leading to a surge in the development and deployment of AI solutions. This is transforming industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing. It is making AI an integral part of our daily lives. This widespread adoption of AI is driving innovation and creating new opportunities. Section 7. Ethical Considerations in the Age of AI Research. The rapid advancement of LLMs and their integration into AI research raise important ethical considerations. One concern is the potential for bias in AI models. LLMs are trained on massive datasets. If these datasets reflect societal biases, the resulting AI models may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Another ethical concern is the issue of authorship and intellectual property. If an LLM assists in the creation of a research paper, who owns the copyright? Who is considered the author? These are complex questions with no easy answers. As LLMs become more sophisticated, it will become increasingly difficult to distinguish between human-generated and AI-generated content. The potential for misuse of LLMs is another area of concern. LLMs can be used to generate fake news, propaganda, and other forms of harmful content. This could have serious consequences for society. It is essential to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of LLMs. Section 8. Collaboration or disruption. The future of AI researchers. The integration of LLMs into AI research has sparked a debate about the future of AI researchers. Some experts believe that LLMs will automate many of the tasks currently performed by AI researchers. This could lead to job displacement. Others argue that LLMs will not replace AI researchers, but will instead augment their capabilities. The reality is likely to be a combination of both collaboration and disruption. LLMs will undoubtedly automate some tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This could free up AI researchers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. However, it is also likely that some AI research jobs will be displaced. The key for AI researchers will be to adapt to the changing landscape. They will need to develop new skills and expertise. They will need to embrace lifelong learning. Those who can adapt and embrace the collaborative potential of LLMs will be best positioned to thrive in the future of AI research. Section 9. Balancing Innovation and Responsibility. The rise of LLMs presents a unique challenge for humanity. These powerful tools have the potential to revolutionize scientific discovery, accelerate innovation, and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. However, they also pose significant ethical challenges. It is our responsibility to ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. We must find a way to balance the pursuit of innovation with the protection of human values. We must ensure that LLMs are used to benefit humanity as a whole, and not to exacerbate existing inequalities or create new ones. This will require ongoing dialogue and collaboration between AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are creating together. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, responsibility, and ethical awareness, we can harness the power of LLMs to create a brighter future for all.